10,210 miles on an FLHXS Street Glide Special from 2017. First year for the Milwaukee-Eight engine. Absolutely fantastic sound, even though it has the stock pipes. We have 6 speakers total, 2 on the bags, which are easy latch open, hard bags. 2 on the fairing, the lower fairing, the highway pegs, and 2 on the inner fairing of the Batwing fairing. Boom audio stage 2 have been inserted here. Absolutely magnificent. We have the upgraded grips and the hydraulic clutch. 6-gallon tank, of course, standard. The USB charger here. There we go. Two-up seat. Halogen lights in the rear. LEDs on the tail. And then we have a whole bunch of, and a K&N breather. And the LEDs on the passing lights, headlights, and turn signals in the front here. A lot of visibility in the front. We have the dual Brembo brakes, ABS line. Absolutely magnificent machine. Come on down for a test ride today. It's the only way you're going to understand what I'm saying. You could say a lot on paper, a lot of stats on paper, but the only thing that'll really make you feel it is driving it yourself. Come on down for a test ride today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, Stars and Stripes, and comment below on what you would do and where you would go with this FLHXS 2017 Street Glide Special.